Hi guys, welcome to this video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how to withdraw from the Luno app. Like a lot of people have this Luno app, and I'm going to use this article to show you this. And for those of you that have the Luno app, I don't really use the Luno app anymore. But as at the time of this video, I said, no, I need to show you guys, those people that don't have this. So if you use this guide, you're going to get your money out. So I'll just simply fast forward and go straight to the step-by-step method. So the first thing to do is that you need to withdraw from Luno to a P either to a P2P platform, is a platform that does P2P. Okay, remember that Luno is following the government policy in Nigeria. Okay, so that means they won't allow cryptocurrency transaction because they're a registered company in Nigeria and they stand to be penalized if they do so. So before that, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn off the notification bell and learn more from my other videos. Okay. So precautions to take while withdrawing from Luno. Okay, I will just review this article and then I will drop the link of the article on this video so you can actually go with it up. Okay, I think that will be fine. So, but that's not really the game of it. So the first thing to do is that we are exchanging Naira for crypto, sending crypto to P2P site, and selling the crypto for Naira. I remember that when you buy cryptocurrency, most times the money is shown in Naira and it will just be growing. It means that if you have now the first thing to do is that we need to send our crypto to we need to convert our Naira to crypto on the platform. Now you need to use a stable coin. Then let's go to the step by step. So if you go on the Luno app, you see something like this: your money, the wallet, and all that stuff. Okay, look at these are the coins that are very much on Luno. So on those sessions, we're going to use Ripple because we're going to use a coin that has low gas fee, the lowest gas fee. If we use Ethereum, the gas fee is high. If we use Lithium, Litecoin, the gas fee is high. USD coin, the gas fee is high. So now you cannot take out the cash directly. You have to sell it for a coin. Now at this point, you have to check the coin with low transaction fee. Okay, Luno supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcash, is it Bitcash? Yes, Bitcoin Cash, and Lithium coin. Then you have the USD coin. Okay, looking at the supported coin, it's just Ripple and the Bitcoin that have the low transaction. Okay, so we're going to use Ripple because Ripple has the lowest. Okay, let's say if you look at your screen right now like this, if you can go on your Luno app, you will see how to follow through with it. So the first thing to do is that your local coin, you're going to move it to cryptocurrency. This is your local money. Now you're going to move it to cryptocurrency. Okay, so this is your coin. You click on it and you sell it. You send all your money to Ripple. Now convert. If you have all this money here, move all of them to Ripple. Okay, so once you have converted them to Ripple, this is what you do. Assuming that I want to do your life and say, I go ahead and purchase more Ripple to add to what I have. Okay, so all I will need to do is that this is the money I have. So I will need to purchase more Ripple. So all these other ones so that I can withdraw this Ripple. Now remember that the goal is to move your money to a cryptocurrency by buying cryptocurrency with the Naira that you have on your account. Okay. So I repeat, the goal is to withdraw your money from the Luno app. But the first thing is that you have to withdraw your money. So a cryptocurrency by purchasing the cryptocurrency on the platform with your other money in your other coins. Okay, so we use this, we buy this is Ripple, this, okay. So now remember that when you've done that, remember that you will be needing this P2P account. Now once you have this Ripple now, you need to send it out from the platform. Okay, now you need a P2P address. I can go to Binance. I need to check Binance right now, but I think we already know how to get. You can check some of my other videos how to get a coin address. can go on Ripple, on Binance. Let me see. Let me just show you a live demonstration. Okay, so we pump byte on the Binance platform to be able to do this. We use the Binance platform. Okay, so the first thing is that when you log in, or if you don't have a Binance account, use the description link on this video to sign up the Binance account, or just type on your screen something like bit.ly slash Perovia Binance to create a Binance account. So you stand the opportunity of having 20% reduction of all your transaction fees on Binance. So if you use other people's account, it's 10%, but mine is 20% and above. That's the minimum. Okay, so use this increase your account. So let's say you come on your account, this side is called the wallet option. Like you go on Binance.com, they click on wallet. Now you click on overview. Now you take it to this side. Okay, so when you go to this side, you click on deposit. Okay, now remember I'm using the web version. If you're using the phone version, you click on the last bar and you click on wallet. So wallet will take you through a side, then you click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, the first thing we do is that we need to deposit crypto. Like we want to deposit crypto, okay? So what we want to do, remember that the option is that we want to receive crypto from a third party, from the Luno. We want to use the Binance option to receive crypto. Okay, so remember that we're following this method to withdraw our cryptos. Okay, our crypto. So now we have succeeded in sending all our cryptocurrencies to the Ripple coin. Now we want to send it out from Luno to Binance. Okay, we also send it out. We need to get a Ripple address. So search here and look for it. Okay, I'll just type Ripple. So click on Ripple. So now it shows different address, but the one we use is the one that has a one. Okay, look at the one we use. So this is the address. This address is also good. But if you look at the address here, they will ask for either PEP2 or PEP20. So arrival, this one arrival is 2 minutes. But this other one, PEP20, is the BSC. Now, most times you may see a BSC stuff. Let's go here. Let's say you want to send it out. At this point, you need to add an address. Okay. So if you add an address, okay, so the first address we need to use to be very secure is this address that is shown here on my screen. This address. So the first one is called the address. Here it's called the chart, and this address is very secure. Okay, so that's the address you will use. Don't use PEP20. PEP20 is for just a one-line transaction, but this one is the most secure. This one showing here that you just copy it, paste it there, copy it and post on the tag option. Now look at it, this tag option. Okay, so once you put it there, you click on next, you click on the amount, you can put on all the amounts, and you get your Ripple. Your Ripple will be sent in a couple. Now look at the transaction fee, just 0.06. So you send all your money. I can now come on Binance, and now when you come on Binance, now the money is now out of to your Binance wallet. All you need to do now is that you need to use the Binance P2P to sell. So how do you use the Binance P2P to sell? Okay, I've shown this on my other videos. I think I'll drop a link for that video. Let me just give you a very quick guide. You just go on this site called the this site. You send the money. When the money arrives, you now send the money away to your P2P wallet. Once you send it to your P2P wallet, you can actually convert the coin to another coin. You can watch my other videos. But first, let me just tell you what you need to do. Let's say the coin comes that you want to sell it. So the first thing to do is that you use the Binance trade option and convert that coin to USDT. Convert it to USDT. So once you convert it to USDT, then you go on the Binance wallet, the P2P option. You can send it there, P2P option, like you want to send this fund that arrived to P2P. You can send it to P2P. Then how can you convert from Ripple to USDT? It's very simple. you use the trade option. I think if you watch other of my videos, you will see the video I talk about trading on Binance. But it's actually very simple. You can actually use convert option if you can't figure it out to convert it now. You want to send money. Now you have money in order in your faith and sport. Now the money will come to your friends and sports. Now the next thing to do is that you want to sell it and make withdraw it to your bank account. Okay. Now you once the money comes, you can click like transfer. Once you click transfer, it will show you wallet. You now send it now to your this send it to your P2P wallet. This okay. You send every you now add the coin is equal. So you now click will now appear here. So that's like SR. Okay. Once you do that, you now put maximum like the maximum amount and you send once you send it to confirm, coming straight and there's no fee. Binance doesn't charge a fee on that. Okay, so um, that's very good. So once you do that, you can now go on the P2P option. This side is called the P2P orders. Okay. Okay, so you can now use the P2P platform to now sell like you can just come here and use Express that you want to sell this coin. You can now put the amount and you can use this Express option here to sell. And first of all, you need to also add a bank account details. So you can watch all of my final videos for that. Okay. Bye. Okay, so subscribe to this video and turn on the notification bell if Luno has given you challenge, not anymore with this video. So like yeah, so there's still more guides, sell this for USDT. Like I said, you need to when you see from down, select the trade to trade. You need to trade. Sometimes you may not need to trade. Okay, but you need to convert it to USDT so the coins will not fluctuate because sometimes the coin can in 2 minutes the coin has added reduced. So convert it to USDT so it does not fluctuate. Let's introduce to send the USDT your sports wallet to the TP. Okay, you can see on the description on it. Okay. So it's giving you the clear guide here. Okay, so it's giving you the clear guide here. So you just convert them all through and you're good to go. But once you transfer the funds to your Binance wallet, just go and watch my video on how to use Binance P2P, and that's all. If you have any challenge, you can always drop a question on the chat section of this video. And see you on the best side of life. I love you and I look towards your growth and your success. Kindly practice this. Help someone send this video to someone that has that is trapped looking for how to get his money out on Luno. Send them this stuff and see you on the best side of life. I love you. Stay true. Subscribe.